Hello. Thank you for taking a look at the Windows Calculator plugin. In this video we will see how to set up the basic configuration, and can explore the main plugin possibilities and features. Here you can see how the most basic calculator looks like. First of all, it allows to provide different categories of products. Lower you can find a list of specific products to select. And here is the visual presentation of a selected product layout. That's possible to change each part properties. That specific product have common size inputs around all products. That's also possible to have size inputs for every product individually. That way provides more flexibility to configure the product. And here are the options added to modify the product properties and price. You can implement any required products and options. Let's see how it looks in the admin part. We will start with the lowest level entity of the plugin. This section is called Products. Here you can create independent product positions. For our example, undivided windows and door products we're doing to sell. Take a look at this one. Firstly, that's necessary to title your product. You also can add description to your product, but it's optional. The most important setting is variations list. The number of variations isn't limited, but it's needed to have at least one variation. You can add it using this button. I'm going to show you this product variation settings to explore the most popular use case. Usually, window manufacturers use price tables to determine the available product sizes and the price accordingly. Here is an editor to place a pricing table in it. Such table have a range of widths at the first row, a range of heights at the first column, and a price value at the crossing of each specific size. When the client selects the required product size, the plugin finds the most appropriate price. You can copy and paste such pricing table using any Sheets application. Different variations can have different prices and other settings. The client can select one from any of the available variations. The products are done. Let's go to use them. To provide a product into the client's view, go to the combinations page. Let's investigate a simple one. Combination allows to present one or many products at the canvas. That's necessary to add at least one product onto the combination. To make it easier, we will explore the individual pricing type with a static canvas. For the demonstration purpose, we will remove this product from the canvas to add it again. Set the required canvas size and then add some products on it using the products list. They can be moved and resized on the canvas using drag and drop. There are also many settings for each canvas element. Now take a look how on it from the client side. Client selects a specific product variation and changes its size from the available range. The script is looking for the closest available product price according to the active variation settings. But how it's calculated? Take a look. For that specific product variation size, this price cell fits the best. And we can see this price from the client side. Good. Now we can see how it works for another combination with a few products in it. It mostly looks the same, just have a bit bigger canvas. Also, its products are tuned to always have the same height. And you might notice another element under the products. But we will disclose the canvas settings deeper in another video. Now let's take a look at this as a client. We can select different variations and size for every product. This way each product have its own specific price. All of these prices get summed to the combination total price. Well done. We know how the products and combinations pricing work. Now we might need to apply some additions and different price modifications. Like these options in the sidebar. Check how to set up that. As an example, we will explore this specific option settings and values. First of all, that's necessary to title the option, and choose its view type. There are many different types available. Each view have own specific settings and properties. For the most of the views there is a special list to create option values. For a value that's necessary to fill its name at least, there are a lot of different settings to provide the required behavior. Now how to modify the final price of the combination. Here is a special setting to define or override calculator variables. There is a list of predefined variables available, and you also can use your own variables. For example, one option can modify the variable x, while another option uses the variable x to modify the final price. For that specific case, while this option value is active, it overrides the total price variable by itself with a numeric modification. Back to the client side. Here is this option in work. It takes the final price of the combination, and apply the option modification, then it's active. Perfect. Now when our customer can select products he wants, we need to get their request somehow. A few ways are available for that. This is possible to enable the cart section, or get a single request immediately. Firstly, the client can get his request PDF file. Another way for the client is to send an email to you via the contact form. And one more way is to send the request into the WooCommerce cart. Then it can be purchased or handled using any way available for WooCommerce. By the way, the same PDF file will be attached to the contact form email, and to a WooCommerce order. We've just checked the basic Widows calculator plugin possibilities. There are a lot of features to explore, such as binding element sizes and values, creating of a dynamic size canvas, or using the plugin on a not WordPress-based site. We'll investigate that in next videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck.